guys, welcome back to another episode of Jamaica is a Series. And my name is Jackie. Okay, I guess you all know that already, but just to let you know again.
They don't all know that, mommy, because number one, they're new people. Hi newbies, we're gonna view this because they love our cooking stuff. Hi people, I'm Shaz in the background with my enough self as always. So mommy, tell them what you do today.
Today I'll be doing shrimp fried rice, Jamaican style.
And she's not even talking it up too much, people, because the shrimp fried rice, our shrimp fried rice is off the hook, people. I love it, so me very happy that she'll do it today. And she need to hurry it up because I'm hungry.
So guys, here we go. This is the shrimp that was seasoned up by my husband, because he's always the one seasoning it up.
And guess what I'm putting in, people? All-purpose seasoning. They put pimento, then put onions, then put
Tsp Pepper.
Yes.
Garlic. Yes, and that's about
That's it. And
Cayenne pepper.
Yes, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper, but them call it bell pepper over here, mommy.
Right. Yeah.
But in Jamaica, people call it sweet pepper. But we're here, and it's bell peppers.
And also, if you have garlic powder, you can use your garlic powder also.
So people, I'm gonna recommend the salt, because you know black people and the high blood pressure. So if the seasoning already have salt, you don't need to add the salt in it. Because it tastes good without, because mommy have done it before, and that's why I'm going to take my enough self come tape it for me today. Because she never do it, she have to cook it on the back, behind on the back, you know, people, and don't do no taping. And then me have to come say, you can't do the people them like that.
So guys, over on the stove right here is the rice.
Yes.
I put the rice to cook, because you have to cook the rice before you actually start doing anything to the shrimp. So what I'll do, I cook the rice. When it's done, I put it aside, and then I do the shrimp. After doing the shrimp, then you'll see me putting everything together along with my sweet corn, my green peas, and also my egg.
Do you do scallion too?
Scallion and thyme, yes.
Right.
And yeah, we already have onion.
So how long it will take for the rice to cook?
The rice takes about 20-25 minutes to cook.
So guys, this is the rice for the shrimp fried rice. It's basmati rice. It's 7 cups of rice to 7.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and some avocado oil. That's in it. So that's the rice, and it's gonna take a little while to cook. Yes guys, I'm getting my veggies all prepped. I'm gonna use 4 half. This is a half of So 2 cups, mommy.
So 2 cups a day.
2 cups of veggies, people.
It's gonna need more. 2 cups is too small. So I'm gonna do 4.
4 cups?
Yes.
Okay.
2 cups is too little, so I'm gonna do 4.
That's the problem when you have a big ass family, you know, people. Some of them just need to not be a part of the family no more.
Yes guys. 4 cups. I'm gonna put this now in the microwave to unfreeze, get it ready for my rice.
So you need to put it in for like about 6 minutes to unfreeze it.
Yes.
That's what the rice looks like, people. So it's almost ready.
Yeah. So it's steam a little more, and then, yeah.
About how much longer you eat, mommy?
Another 5 to 6 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and get the
Wouldn't it be easier to just use a spoon?
yeah, but
She always like to make things difficult, people.
not really difficult. It's just like, okay, I forgot to leave and go back to take care of something else. I'm just like, nah, I'm not going to be doing that. Yes, guys. Cayenne and beat some more.
Put a black pepper there.
Okay, guys, rice is ready.
Ooh, there we go. Look at that, people. It is Shelly. So people, my mom put on the pot already. feet hot. So now it's hot. And we're gonna put our avocado oil. Okay, do your thing, lady.
Not putting too much?
No. That's about 2 tablespoons, people. So people, she's getting ready to put the shrimp in.
Okay guys, I'm gonna check my shrimp now if it's ready. Not fully, but it's almost there.
I mean, not almost there. The other side needs to cook too. Just one side cook.
Almost there, right? Doesn't take too long to cook.
It doesn't.
Because I cannot turn. Let me turn the fire up a little bit.
Yeah, she have it too low. People.
Yeah, so.
You can't smell it, people, but it smells good.
I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes and see how it is. Because I have to get all sides well done. No raw shrimp over here, people. No, no, no. There you go. Pot for the egg.
So this is the egg pot because my mom just likes to use woolly pot. But I like this pot. It's so pretty. She buys nice pots. But people tell her to stop by the pot them though, even though they're pretty.
Guys, I'm going to use some olive oil to do my eggs. Not a lot, just to baste the pot. There he is. Yeah, because I don't want that too much oil on my egg. So that's basically what I do. Yes, guys, so I'm going to put my egg in now. Pot is ready for it. There you go. There it is. I leave it there for a little bit to get the body and then I'll cut it up.
Just going to scramble it, people. My mom, or Jackie as you guys know her, cut up the scallion, the thyme, and the bell peppers. So this is going to be going into her shrimp fried rice. So I just wanted you guys to see it. Isn't it beautiful though? The colors are so great.
Yes guys, I'm going to put my seasoning in. Everything.
Get it a little tiny bit sauteed.
Yes. Next thing is going to be my shrimp.
Okay.
No, actually guys, I'll be doing the rice first.
With the egg.
Huh? Yes guys, there I go.
So you see the colors if you put a little of the soy sauce in there.
I'm going to be adding more rice. Every time I have to put soy sauce, guys. Because you want the color of, you know. Okay. Putting in the balance of the shrimp. Balance, as in the balance.
I need some more of that water in there anyway.
This water of seasoning also. So. Putting in the balance of the egg. Yes.
Yes, Lord.
That's it.
Got it, people.
A little more soy sauce and that will be fine.
I help our old people with my free hand. Well, my hand not free, but I make it free.
Yep. Yeah. Thanks.
Yep.
Looks like you also want it over, you know.
The poor woman hard at work, people. Hard at work.
Okay, guys, here we go.
Don't skimp on the shrimp, woman.
No, ma'am.
All right.
I'm gonna take a little taste.
Wait there. We have to see it first. Before you even take your hungry belly self, I'm gonna taste it. See, people. Look at that. Look at that, people.
I'm gonna take a taste now, okay?
You think the people are gonna believe nothing when you are taste it and you cook it? But I mess with the people. It's really good. I can take that for you. So
that's good, guys. Thank you guys for watching another one of our videos with Jamaica is a Series. I do hope that you guys will try this with your family. Just go the way I taught it to you. If not, do your own little thing too. Okay? Yeah. But try it out, you know, because I know you'll enjoy it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people. We need you guys to be sharing up the video. Then we know you guys love the cooking one, them. But please show us love for the next one, them too, people. You come here and subscribe. Tell the people them to subscribe. Tell your side piece them to subscribe. Everybody, come do it. We have a whole heap of video out there. And just thank you for, you know, being a part of our channel. And come back next week, same time. We're wishing you all the best. And we're going to eat. And look on the food, people.
Rotted people. I know some forget about the veggies. I totally forgot about it. So now I'm going to be putting it to the side because we are a family that believes very much in veggies for your meals. So I'm going to put this to the side. This is a plate that I shared out. I didn't even eat any more out of it yet because I remember the veggies. So here we go.
Yes, people. And if you want, you can mix the veggies in, but we want it on the side.
Yeah, people, she was adamant of it going to the side. So here we go.